Hello, everyone. Today, I'll tell you about a project that could change your perception of blockchain. Do you know what's the hardest thing about working with crypto? It's not the prices, not the volatility. It's having to understand a huge amount of technical details. Swaps, bridges, staking, farming. For a beginner, this is like rocket science. And this is where ChainOpera AI comes in. Imagine you have a personal AI assistant that understands blockchain better than any expert. You simply tell it what you want to do, and it does all the technical work for you. Want to transfer tokens from one network to another? AI will do it with one command. Need to find the best yield for staking? AI will analyze hundreds of protocols in seconds. Planning a complex DeFi strategy? AI will automatically build the entire chain of operations. Essentially, ChainOpera AI is a bridge between ordinary people and complex blockchain technologies. The testnet is already live. This means you can try the technology right now, test all the features, and even earn from your participation. The testnet isn't just a demo version. It's a full-fledged ecosystem where you can, first, learn how AI works in blockchain, second, earn points and tokens for your activity, third, become part of the community at the very early stage. Now, specifically, what to do in the ChainOpera AI testnet. Go to the platform, register using MetaMask, test different AIs and get points for it, maximum of 100 points per day. There's a daily bonus from 50 to 150 points. For this, you need to have a small balance in BNB or OBNB. Takes just a few minutes. If you enter a referral code, you get 50 more points. Another important point, in ChainOpera AI, you can earn with your graphics card. Your graphics card can work on AI computations for the project. While you sleep or work, your GPU processes neural network tasks and brings you tokens. How to connect and run a node is detailed in the project documentation. It's accessible and step-by-step. ChainOpera AI has already raised $17 million to build a blockchain and operating system for decentralized AI agents and applications. Among the leading investors are major venture funds, Finality Capital, Road Capital, and IDG Capital. Remember, the biggest money is made in the early stages. Who bought Ethereum at $1? Who believed in Solana at cents? Now you have the same opportunity. So don't wait. While most are sleeping, the smart ones are earning. Join the testnet, test the platform, earn with your graphics card, explore investment opportunities. ChainOpera AI is your ticket to the future of blockchain. All links are in the description. Like the video? Like, subscribe, don't miss new crypto project reviews. To the moon, everyone!